came out of nowhere. I was turning on to see the military jets fly by, which they are. You can hear them. See, this thing was over here. See, here comes another military jet. There's two of them. This thing right here, I don't know what this is. Actually, three jets going by now. See, there's military jets and this thing right here. I don't know what this thing is. Let me move back a little bit. It's like this thing is just floating right there. See, that thing's floating right there. It's not a plane. It's not a helicopter. I'm not sure what that is right there. Here comes another military. All this is flying by right here. These military jets are flying by at the same time. I don't think they're looking for this thing. If they are, they can't. They might be. I'm zoomed out pretty far too. See, right there's about 15 times. What is that thing right there? Pretty slow to be a satellite, don't you think? Let me move over a little bit here, because I won't be able to see it very much longer. There's a star up there. That's good because I don't have to zoom in at all. I can stay pretty far away. There's no way that's a satellite, I don't think, man. It's just going too slow and it's... Take night vision off for a minute, but it doesn't make much difference right now anyway. Can't see what it is no matter what, so I'll leave it on so you can see better. There's that thing. There's the military jets are coming back around now. See, they're coming back where they came from. Going back this direction. We may have to go back a little farther. Wait a minute. I don't see that thing anymore, but I see the military jets right there. They're headed, see, they just came around and make their rounds, whatever. They're going back where they came from. I don't know where that thing went. Went behind those trees and it's gone now. There's more military jets that just came by. It's right after that thing, about 5 minutes later. Anyway, there's something coming right here too. Those are military jets. Go to the right. See, more of them coming by. That's 5 in the last 5 minutes. This looks like a plane here. Let's see. Can't be sure though. Can't be sure about that, can we? It's going pretty good. I don't hear him. Those are stars there, looks like.